Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Today we're talking about Pokemon cards, how you can literally buy them off the shelf at Walmart and sell them for more. Okay, so here we are on the Pokemon TCG website. If you don't know, Pokemon has trading cards. They've had these since the 90s. They continue to produce a new set every few months. It's a super popular niche. There's tons of money in this. I've been Pokemon card investing for a year or so. So we're going to be talking about the latest sets, what you should be buying, what you should be holding on to, that type of thing. But a lot of these ones that I'm going to show you, you can basically buy them off the shelf at Walmart or Target or whatever store and go on eBay and sell them for more money right now. I'll link another video down below that explains this a little better if I don't end up going into enough detail here. But you know, these are the sets. You can come to like the Pokemon TCG site and see these different sets. So you can see 2020, they've released 4 so far. This one will release the 25th. But let's get into some of these that you can still get in the store dating back to 2016. So the first one I'm going to suggest, XY Evolutions. You can pick up these packs at local stores. They'll have them at Target sometimes. In all of these that I'm mentioning, I am investing in them. I could buy them off the shelf and flip them for more money, but I'm investing in them for longer term, you know, at least a couple years, a few years. I want to see that price grow a little bit. So what happens is there's going to be like banger cards in each set, cards that everyone wants, cards that are worth $500 or over $1,000 or whatever. And people will open up the packs to try and get that card. They'll grade the cards, and then there's like a supply of packs. There's going to be tons of packs out in the world, but people will continue to open those and the supply will continue to go down. That increases the price of the packs. You know, the banger cards in the set, people buy those and that will increase. So the supply of packs shrinks and people want the cards in the set. So the prices of the packs go up because people just keep going. It's like the perfect economy. But XY Evolutions, they actually just recently in Walmart, they're releasing the ETBs. They just dropped them. This is going to be like the last time that you can get these Elite Trainer boxes. So let's type in this XY Evolutions Elite Trainer box. I'll show you what they look like. Let's go to images here. So here's what they look like right here. We got the red Charizard one, the blue Blastoise one. You can buy these off the shelf at Walmart right now, sell them for double. But if I were to get any, I would be holding on to them. You can also find packs occasionally. I've seen them at Best Buy and Target. So those are some good ones to pick up. There's definitely some good hits in those packs. There's gonna be a bunch of sets that are kind of duds as well. You know, Burning Shadows, kind of a dud, but also kind of a banger. There's like one good card in the set that everyone wants. I don't recommend investing in that though. But Shining Legends, another banger. You can find these at Walmart a lot. They'll put out the pin collection boxes. You can also get a 2-pack, and those are always on clearance. I think it's like $23 for the 2-pack. It comes with 2 promo cards, 2 pins, and 6 packs. So that puts each pack around $4, I believe. And I think the packs are selling like $6 to $7 right now. So if you see Shining Legends, definitely a good pickup. If you decide to open the packs, there's a lot of good hits in that as well. The vintage Shining cards like Shining Mewtwo, Shining Charizard are really starting to take off, so that's definitely a driver in this set, making it popular as well. Lots of nothing through this era. Hidden Fates is going to be the next one that you want to pick up. If you ever see Hidden Fates on the shelf, just buy it. Easily the best modern investment. There's so many good cards in this set. The shiny Charizard is selling for over $500. If you get it graded, it's PSA 10, it's going to be over $1,500. So people are hype over this set. It sells out immediately off the shelf. You can probably just buy it off the shelf, sell it for double or triple right now. I was doing this when it first came out. I kind of wish I just held on to everything. The Elite Trainer boxes, I was buying those for like 40 or 50 and selling them for like 75, but they're worth like over $200 now, so I shouldn't have sold any. I should have held on to those. That's the main ones right now: Evolutions, Shining Legends, and Hidden Fates. If you see these on the shelves at the store, just buy them up, hold on to them. It's a good investment. Always do your own research though. Don't just take what I'm saying. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a Pokemon financial advisor. Do your own research. Also subscribe if you want to be notified when new items come out that you should be buying. I'll be sharing one soon. It's going to be in this Champions Path set, which could potentially be the biggest set of this year. So we'll talk about that in a future video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Oh,